front of me is Xiaomi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Start by opening settings. Now scroll down and click on passwords and security. Then tap on screen lock over here and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Tap on the best one for you, wait 5 seconds and just got it in the pop-up. Then you need to enter your login method and when you're ready, repeat it. Lastly, select confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by choosing add over here. I will go with cancel though, so now I can click home button. And when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!